But it would be fun to print one of these. We're using this stuff. So we'll see. Seems to be printing better than the other stuff I was using. But anyway, I was just looking at the different ones. I ordered a metal dual gear, but I want to print a replacement for the other Creality plastic ones because I have 2 or 3 of them that are broken. And then have a backup or whatever. I'm going to print a bunch of these, just different ones. And try them all. There's many different ones on printables. I haven't even got into the Thingiverse. So the only thing is, like right here, there's usually an insert. And you probably could salvage the one from the broken one because that's where it's going to crack anyway. But yeah, this thing's printing a different one, not even this one. I've already downloaded like 4 of them. Let's see here. We got, that's the one we're just looking at. Some other, just different ones that people have made over the years. Some of these are pretty old. Huh. Interesting. Oh wow, look at that. See, just one of the things that I'm like looking at, like, you know, the rep wrap deal. And then now we're moving towards these printers like these Solvols, the Neptunes, and Bamboo Labs, and all these printers that have proprietary crap on them. They're not open source. I mean, technically that one's open source. But, I mean, a lot of these printers, you know, I mean, they're just not going to be that easy to repair. So, it's kind of cool getting a bunch of broken printers. So we get to print stuff to fix stuff. Anyway, I'm going to try a couple different ones that are on here. This is the actual one. I think it is. Let me click on it and find out. Yeah. This is the actual one. So we don't know how well it'll work, but it said 13 minutes to print it, so I'm like, whatever. We'll print that one. And then I downloaded a couple other ones. Where's the other ones? I think I downloaded that one. Yeah. So that will be the next one we'll print. Let's see how that one does. And I think I might have downloaded that one. The other thing I need to look for is for the direct drive conversion. But anyway, I ordered some dual gear metal ones, not with the double washers either. Okay, looks like it's done. We'll let it cool for a minute. It looks like it should be okay. Cool.